when you don't need to pay any income tax in the UK. Personal allowance in the UK in the tax year 24-25 is 12,570. If your income during the tax year is less than 12,570, you don't need to pay any personal tax at all. Here today I'm going to talk about 5 different types of income limit where you don't need to pay any personal tax. Number 1, self-employed income. If you are self-employed and if your gross income during the tax year is less than £1,000, you don't need to pay any tax and you don't need to even declare this self-employed income in your tax return. Interest income. On top of your 12,570, if you have interest income during the tax year and you are a basic rate taxpayer, you can earn £1,000 of interest. You don't need to pay any tax. But if you are a higher rate taxpayer, this limit reduced to 500. Basically, for up to 500 of interest income during the tax year, you don't need to pay any tax at all. Dividend income, if you have invested some money in the shares or any other kind of investment, if during the tax year, if your dividend income is less than 500, you don't need to pay any tax on that dividend income. Rental income. If you rent a room, the house you live in, you can claim something called rent a room relief. If your gross rental income during the tax year is less than 7,500, you don't need to pay tax on this rental income. Remember, it should be a gross rental income less than 7,500 during the tax year. Capital gain tax. If you sell some asset during the tax year and your gain during the tax year is less than 3,000, you don't need to pay any capital gain tax. This is not a tax advice. This is just a guidance. You might need to do a tax return depending on your circumstances. Get professional advice before your tax return. If you want to pay less tax and save money legally, I upload every week's regular videos regarding this, and get regular videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you need any more information, please contact me.